Welcome to episode 3 of my Color Smart series. In this video, we will be looking at pale pink, also known as blush pink and baby pink. We will be looking at the color location, the history, psychology, marketing, and how to combine other colors with it. When looking at the color wheel, you will find the pale pink almost center of the red area with a brightness level of 98.04. The English language first documented the color name pink in the 17th century, which was used to describe a shade of light red. In the 18th century, pastel colors dominated fashion trends, and pale pink became a popular choice amongst fashionistas. Marie Antoinette, the Queen of France, was a big fan of the color pale pink. She was often seen wearing dresses and accessories in the shade. The age of Versailles did not associate pink with femininity, but rather considered as a youthful color. Marie Antoinette stopped wearing the delicate pinks of her youth when she turned 30. The Queen believed that such a shade was no longer appropriate for women of her age. During the 19th century, the color pale pink became closely linked with femininity. It was commonly used in clothing for young girls. In the early 20th century, pink was also frequently utilized in advertisements to promote products to women and children. The color pink holds a special meaning in certain cultures, such as Japan. Pink is traditionally linked to cherry blossoms and represents the arrival of spring and new beginnings. In Japan, pale pink is widely used in advertisements and packaging during the cherry blossom season. The color pale pink is known for its calming properties that can help alleviate anxiety, nervousness, and stress. This hue is often incorporated into relaxation and meditation techniques to foster a peaceful and serene atmosphere. Studies have shown that exposure to pink can lead to a decrease in feelings of anger and hostility, and can even help to lower heart rate and blood pressure. Pale pink has long been associated with purity and innocence. It is a popular choice for baby clothing, toys, and accessories. Pale pink is often associated with femininity and can be used to target female consumers. This can be particularly effective for products or services that are designed specifically for women. Pale pink is a soft, gentle color and can create a sense of calm and relaxation. This can be beneficial for marketing products or services that are related to self-care, wellness, or relaxation. While pale pink is often associated with femininity and softness, it can also be used in a more playful or fun way. For example, a brand that wants to convey a sense of whimsy or humor might use pale pink in combination with other playful elements. Due to its sense of innocence and purity, pale pink has a unique and appealing quality that makes it a great choice for advertising candy, ice cream, and frozen yogurt. Pale pink is a delicate and charming color that can be paired with a variety of other pastel colors to create a soft and dreamy look. Pastel colors complement pale pink beautifully, adding depth and dimension to any outfit, interior design, and more. Pale pink combined with silver creates a classy, clean, timeless, and sophisticated mood, while a gold or bronze combination creates a bold, vintage, or regal feel. Adding natural colors gives a mouth-watering, sweet, and organic berry-type feel to it. Adding different shades of dusty pink or purple will give a sophisticated feel and will appeal to the independent woman. Never use a light grey text on a pale pink or vice versa. Always make sure your text-to-background contrast is greater than or equal to 4.5 by 1. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video just as much as I did, then like and subscribe below. If you want to know more about Marie Antoinette in pink, or you just want to get that text to background contrast right every time, You can find the links below. Next color we will be talking about is goldenrod yellow, which is a very culture rich color. So I hope I will see you next time.